All right, looking at Tezos, using the A system. And one thing I'm starting to notice with these coins, the altcoins, they're really different, the USD pairs, compared to what we're used to on like leverage exchanges with the majors, like the majors. Like when these things go below, like you don't see the majors doing crazy moves like this going below the range. That's a lot. I mean, a lot. That's something I don't typically see. That's like a whole move in itself, you know. So I can't imagine with leverage with this stuff, people have got to be getting chewed out. I mean, there's no other way to look at it because I'm thinking like, here it is, you got like a 5% move below. Whew, oh my God. And something else I'm noticing is that they tend to spend more time inside of the same range. Look at this. That's kind of crazy. The only thing a person had going for themselves in really getting this worked out is the signal. You know, like that would have helped out. I'm pretty sure before this dropped, it was giving signal, and then it settles right here, and you know, it went up like that, did that. But when you anytime you see something like this, that's a water slide. Price slides down easy, but then it comes back just as easy. So with that stuff, I'm always willing to buy it, always. Um, let's see. Yeah, this is crazy. Came back down. I mean, look at how many times it gave this false. Ooh, this is tough. I think I gotta change my rules. Like seriously, change my rules. And I mean, change them. Like I've always got to be aiming to buy below that range. Like I'm not even wanting to buy on this opening no more because it just doesn't seem worth it. I mean, don't get me wrong. If you bought on an opening, let's look. 5%, you know, you'd have been like, okay, whatever. But then you would have been able to get out right here. 3 hours, spent 4 hours, spent like right there, something like that. But you really want to tag this. That's what you really want to get. That's it. Second test, the next one will be the break. There we go. All right, let me see if I can keep blending this thing in with the range to see what we can get with it. Like I want to see the next one and see like if we can play it individually on a day. Because like this is one day. Here, let me see. One day. That's one day right there. All right, it's a lot of action. Um, and let's see. It's going to shake this up. Uh, That's it right there. Just want to see what happens if you play it absent outside of the previous range. Like, meaning, let's look at this one and just focus on this one today. What do we get? Okay, beat up that, break that. Right there. All right, so L brought us to the 5, 6. Okay. All right, nice. All of this was to be bought below all that right there. So I'm guessing layering buys. It's kind of another thing I'm thinking about doing, just laying them in. 3%. Because you could do 1% for each percent down. So like 1% at, well, no, 1%, 2%. This would have been like 3%, like total position picked up. It's something I'm gonna start studying to see like how everything behaves with it, to see like what I can actually get with it. All right, so that'd have been like 3%, and you would have been able to sell. Let me see. So you get 3%. And able to sell at least at that right there. No, actually, would have been targeting above that, but for safe keeps, this to go over that right there. That'd have been good. All right, so I'm seeing. I'm gonna keep displaying this real quick. That would have been easy to be played off that day, that current day. No issues. All right. That's it right there. Get the L in place. L goes right here. A goes right here. That's the A right there. All right, so let's look at the activity. Up, went down. For L, it started to pump, went up, tricked them, brought it back down, below the range again. Let me see how below this one deep, because this looks like even more than 5%. Nah, I'm the fool on this one. I got tricked. Once again, that would have been a three pickup to be sold. Wanted to get that right there for greediness, but ideally that. All right there. Start with that right there. 6%. That would have gave it right there. What's the higher on this? 290. Yep, 290 flat. Been able to get that right there. Dang, but that's like days later type deal. All right, let me see. Probably created a new range in between the time. Doing so. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Oh, that's just ugly price action right there. That just looks like it just wants to melt. Um, all right, so straight up dumped it on him. Came back. All right. This makes, well, that would have worked up real quick. Came back into it. Yeah, this makes sense to buy because you got the signal right here. So all that would have been like, yeah, but we still would have probably been looking for it to go below that. But nah. Yeah. Ah, there you go, right there. Haha. Never fails. I wonder how much that went. 1.5%. 1.34. Cool. All right, let me see. We got that taken care of. I still want to see the other ranges inside this to see what they look like. We'll do one more. Let's see that right there. That's it right there. Right there. All right. So this came up, went, dropped back, supported, tricky. Uh, yeah. This is what ETH looked like a few days ago. Had the same type of price action. Going just like this. Just like this. I'm gonna put up ETH so you can see. Let me show you ETH real quick. Damn, that's crazy. ETH. Look at ETH right here. And it just took off. Wait, where is it? Right there. Yeah. Yep. Not as crazy as that other one we just looked at. What was that? XtzUsd, yeah. Where is it? Where is that? All right. I like the way this coin moves though. I actually like it better than Link. Um, all right. So yeah, we got that. We got that. Yeah, that's actually cool. I like that.